G'day everyone, we're just having a look at the Control5W and we're just going to show in this video how to connect it to a wireless DMX fixture and how to get it set up in the first place. So the first step is that we need to press and hold the menu button down and power up the Control5W to get it into WDMX mode. So when the WDMX ID light becomes white, we can let go and just press it to blue, and that's WDMX transmit, and we can press and hold that button down to confirm. Now this fixture is now in transmit mode, and it'll continue to be in transmit mode even when you repower it. And now that we're in wireless DMX transmit mode, we just need to sync them up with the lights. So all you have to do is press the button on the controller, and the wireless DMX is now syncing up, and that is synced. And now we have control of the fixture. Okay. So here we're going to control the Control5W in automatic mode. I'm going to record a couple of scenes and then play them back. So first things first, we need to get into the menu by pressing up and again, and go to the effects section. Select the ID, which is which chase we're playing with, and we're going to go down to edit chase, enter, set scene 1, enter, set scene 2, enter, and then menu to save it. And now we can see that there's 2 chases in there. So now we're going to play back the scenes that we've just recorded. So we're going to go into the menu again and into the effects, and we're going to go up to play chase, enter, and we've got chase 1, and we can see that it's got 2 scenes in there, and the speed and fade knobs, so we're going to increase that speed all the way down to 1 second, and we're going to increase the fade to instant for the moment. We're going to turn the master up, and we've got a 1 second chase. So now I'm going to show you how to change between different chases. So if we go into the menu by going up into the effects and play chase. So at the moment it's on chase 0. I'm going to turn the master up before we get there and turn the speed up to 1 second and the fade to instant. And if you move the chase slider, we can select between chase 1, which we recorded earlier, and chase 2, which I've added since. And you can go back to chase 1. So that slider there selects which chase you're on.